this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, floor mats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.